Okay, so often when you're editing, you'll notice that there's times that you need to basically remove extra footage, okay? And as you've gone through here and looked at all the clips, there is a couple places where we might want to speed things up because it's taking a little bit too long, okay? For instance, in this one clip of 1502, you'll notice that as we're watching it, there's this time in here where the dog's shaking, right? They're playing, okay? He comes out and he's actually shaking his tail for a while, and he slowly walks, and then the camera moves over, and then he's running away. What I'd like to do is actually try to figure out how to cut this clip so that he goes right from shaking right here to this point where he's actually running, okay? So what we're going to do is actually look at the clip using the timeline feature, okay? And you'll notice that here, as I move my playhead, that's what this is called, this little triangle right here, I can put it exactly where I want to cut things, okay? So watch. Here's the last part of his shaking. So right there, as he's done shaking, I'm going to leave my playhead right there. If I go up and choose Edit, Split Video Clip at Playhead, notice the shortcut. That's Apple T, okay? I let go. Look what's happened. I've taken that one clip, and you can see it's chopped it. It's made a cut. If I was to look back at the timeline view, you'll notice it says clip 5 and then clip 5/1. That's because this one clip that was 15 seconds has now been broken up into two clips, one of 10 and the other of 4. Let me go back to the other timeline view. So I know that this is the first edit point, this first cut I've made. Now I'm going to move the playhead to the point where I want it to begin the next one. Do you see that? Now I'm going to use the arrows, okay, on my keyboard, and you'll notice that if I use those arrows, I can move back and forth frame by frame by frame. So what I want to do is cut to the first frame of the next clip. Here's the first frame where he actually starts running through. So let me go back to that first frame. I can see the difference between these two by going back and forth. That's the last frame. Here's the first frame. Now if I go ahead and say Apple T, or again that was Edit, Split Video Clip at Playhead, you can see that now I've got this clip isolated that I wanted to get rid of. Okay, here's he's shaking. This piece in the middle right here is all the stuff I want to get rid of. If I highlight it and I hit the delete key, watch this, poof, it disappears. Okay, and now very easily I've edited down to the frame so that the dog goes right from shaking to running. Okay, everybody go ahead and try and delete that extra piece of video out now.